signature error, EIoErrorCode signature error, Pak Is Invalid on PC. If you're encountering the IoStore signature error, Pak Is Invalid error in Fortnite, it usually means one or more game files have become corrupted, damaged, or failed verification. This can happen after an interrupted update, disk errors, antivirus interference, or corrupted game data. Fortunately, there are several methods you can use to fix the issue. Tashner 1. Verify Fortnite game files. The first thing you should do is verify the integrity of Fortnite's game files. Open the Epic Games Launcher. Go to your library. Click the three dots next to Fortnite. Select Manage. Click Verify. Wait for the verification process to complete. Launch Fortnite again. 2. Restart your PC. A simple restart can clear temporary file issues and ensure all Fortnite services start correctly. Close Fortnite and the Epic Games Launcher. Restart your computer. Launch Fortnite again. Haber 3. Run Epic Games Launcher as administrator. Running the launcher with administrative privileges can prevent file access issues. Close the Epic Games Launcher. Right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut. Select Run as Administrator, start Fortnite and check if the error persists. Tatter 4. Delete Fortnite temporary cache files. Corrupted cache files can sometimes trigger signature verification errors. Press Windows R. Type local app data % and press Enter. Locate Epic Games and Fortnite-related cache folders. Delete temporary cache files. Restart your PC and launch the game. 5. Disable antivirus temporarily. Some antivirus programs may mistakenly block or modify Fortnite files. Temporarily disable your antivirus software. Verify Fortnite files again through the Epic Games Launcher. Launch the game. If Fortnite works afterward, add the Epic Games Launcher and Fortnite folders to your antivirus exclusions list. Hammer 6. Check your storage drive for errors. A failing or corrupted drive can cause game files to become unreadable. Open File Explorer. Right-click the drive where Fortnite is installed. Select Properties. Go to Tools. Click Check under Error Checking. Follow the on-screen instructions. 7. Reinstall Fortnite. If verification doesn't resolve the problem, reinstalling Fortnite can replace all damaged files. Uninstall Fortnite from the Epic Games Launcher. Restart your PC. Download and install Fortnite again. Launch the game. 8. Update Windows. Missing system updates can sometimes create compatibility issues. Open Windows Settings. Navigate to Windows Update. Install all available updates. Restart your PC. Task 9. Move Fortnite to another drive. If the installation drive has file corruption issues, moving or reinstalling Fortnite on another drive may resolve the problem. Uninstall Fortnite. Reinstall it on a different SSD or HDD. Launch the game and test. 10. Repair Easy Anti-Cheat. Damaged Easy Anti-Cheat files can sometimes contribute to startup errors. Navigate to the Fortnite installation folder. Open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Run the Easy Anti-Cheat setup. Select Repair Service. Restart your PC. After completing these steps, the IoStore signature error, EIoErrorCode signature error, Pak Is Invalid error should be resolved, allowing Fortnite to launch normally.